Hi, I'm Josh Lambert, a product manager here at GitLab, and today I'd like to take you through what we plan to do in our 12.7 release for our database team. Now, the database team is a newer team, and we're still, in fact, hiring for additional positions. Right now, we have an engineering manager and a very senior engineer, but we're of course looking to grow the team, and so our throughput this release will be a little bit minimized due to the size of the team and the fact that we have some holidays here in this release. So keep that in mind. But we are working on a few important things here in 12.7. The first is we're looking to finish up our key set pagination for the project endpoint. This will allow us to significantly reduce the load on the database. This is a pretty common endpoint, and it will also allow our API consumers to be able to more quickly scrape the projects list. Right now, with the offset-based pagination, effectively the higher the offset, the longer it takes to return the data. However, with key set pagination, it's a constant time operation, no matter how far back you go. And so it's a win-win on both sides here for a responsiveness and a load perspective. So that's great. We had this implemented on GitLab.com. We saw a regression, it got reverted, and we're looking to address that and get it back up on GitLab.com and get it into a release. Similarly, we're also looking at some options to further optimize the first page response time for the project API. So effectively, we think there's some room here for further improvements, and you can get more details here in this issue. But that's a nice optimization here that Andreas noticed, and looking forward to hopefully having that completed as well. And then from there, we're also looking to make some further improvements and to present some potential error conditions. For example, here we'll just go through one of them. In this case, there's a potential for some migrations to potentially fail, depending if they have a foreign key operation, for example, and could potentially time out. And so rather than having today's behavior, as you can see here, we can actually have a retry with a relatively short timeout period, reduce the impact of the database and the table blocking, and furthermore, just continue to retry as well with some options for what makes the most sense here. So looking forward to that as well. A number of great improvements here for stability and overall also performance for our users and for also our services like GitLab.com. So that's a lot of what we're focused here on 12.7, and as you can see here in the near future, we'll also be looking forward to planning further for PG11 and other upcoming versions of Postgres once the PG11 version is available in 13.0. So thank you so much, and looking forward to additional releases here in the future with a bunch of other additional great features. And if you are a database expert and would like to join the team, we would love to talk. So feel free to find us on the GitLab jobs page and send in some resumes. Thank you.